I got my first high-ticket client on Skool in 7 days when I followed this simple process. Now I'm going to give it to you for free so you can do the same thing. This is a 3-step process that you need to follow, and if you do it, you will get your first high-ticket client on Skool in 7 days. The plan is foolproof. Just do the work. Step 1 is to create your perfect offer. There are 3 steps to this process, so just follow the 3-step framework. Part 1 is your who. This is who you're going to help. You got to figure out who you're going to help or you won't be able to start anywhere. And these are the people you're going to target. You got to find out where they're at and what they want, but specifically who they are and what they identify as. Part 2 is the dream. You got to figure out their core desire, what really runs them, what gets them up in the morning, the big, hairy, audacious goal that they have, like the crazy thing that they want to accomplish. Figure that out. Figure out how to solve it for people, and then solve it for them, and then tell them about it. Part 3, this is the pain. This is the big thing they really don't want to go through. So you've got the who, the person that you're helping. You've got the dream, the thing that they really want to accomplish. Now part 3 is the pain, the thing that they don't want to have to do to be able to get that dream. Now, the way you can figure out these 3 things best is to actually ask people. So you take your framework, I help who get dream without pain, and then you tell people about it. That's step 2. First, you have to tell 20 people about it. Once you tell 20 people, then you've got a good base as to whether your I help statement is actually going to give people what they want or not. And if it is, great. If it's not, find something else. Either change the who, the dream, or the pain. But now you have people you can talk to about it and get specific feedback on it and actually give them what they want. Once you've talked to those 20 people, and once you have a valid offer that people actually want, then you can use the $1.80 strategy. You go into groups on Reddit, you go into groups on Facebook, you go into groups on Skool, you tell people like what you're doing, you ask for feedback. You've done that, right? Now, what you do is you go into those groups and you just give value. You give your 2 cents every day to 90 people every day. $1.80. You can do 100 people if you want, the $2 strategy, whatever you want. But you give your 2 cents, and it has to be valuable. It has to be really good stuff. It can't just be like garbage. It has to be what people want, and you're giving your stuff away for free. If you feel like you're going to throw up because of what you're giving away, you're doing it right. Step 3, actually delivering on your I help statement and giving people what they want. You got to actually deliver your results to people. I sucked when I started. I still suck, but I suck less. You probably are in a similar situation unless you're a gazillionaire, and then I don't even know why you're watching this video. Focus on making what you're offering better, and you'll get people to come to you by default because the people you're serving will refer other people. That's the bonus cheat code. That's step 4 about how to get free clients. It's through referrals. It's through the people that you talk to as your clients. They talk to other people. And if you want, you can incentivize them to do that more. Like your product has to be good for them actually to refer you to other people. But then if you do that, you can give them a cut of that check, and then they're happy because they're paying for whatever cost they spent with you. Now, if you want to jump on a call with me, I have a call every week in my free community where you can talk about this stuff, nail your offer, nail your who, your dream, your pain. And if you want to check that out, there's a link in the description to my group. If not, totally fine. Peace.